Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour of the shipyard in the Harborview area where they are doing the multi-billion-dollar shipyard project. This is a project called the German Shipyard Jamaica Shipyard, and the project will provide dry docking, that's where you lift the ships out of the water for commercial vessels, and a range of maintenance and repair services for ships. So this project was launched recently, and the title when it was launched was Multi-Billion-Dollar Shipyard Project Launch. So we're giving you an update on what's going on with the shipyard project. However, the security said we weren't allowed to go onto the facility, and the drone won't fly because of restricted airspace re the Norman Manley International Airport. So we are making do and making the video like this. So we're trying to figure out what's going on with the drone and this restricted airspace, but for now this will give you a general idea of what's going on. So that's the Sir Florizel Glassboat Boulevard, and that's the Harborview roundabout right there. On the other side of this facility is the Kingston Harbor, which is the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. So all of this area here is a German shipyard, and this is where they're going to be building out the facility to raise the ships out of the water and do maintenance on them. And this is basically a new sector for Jamaica, new industry, because although we have the Caribbean Maritime Institute that more trains persons to be operators of the ship, but this is going to be the first shipyard where you can actually raise the ships out of the water and work on them. So we are going to go through an article that gives a lot more information on this project so that persons can see what's going on. Economic opportunities are expected to abound for Jamaica through the establishment of a multi-billion-dollar shipyard repair and maintenance facility in the country. Called the German Shipyard Jamaica GSRJ Shipyard, the project will provide dry docking, lifting the ship out of the water for commercial vessels up to 20,000 tons, and a range of maintenance and repair services to vessels operating in and around the Caribbean and Central America. Phase 1 of the project, which is to be completed by October-November this year, is being undertaken at an overall cost of nearly $6 billion or US 37 million, with financial partner Sagicor Bank committing to half of this amount as a bank loan. This will see the first floating dry dock, Jam Dock 1, becoming operational. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, who delivered the main address at Tuesday's launch at the Kingston Harbor along the Sir Florizel Glassboat Highway, said that this project will earn foreign exchange. It will provide high quality jobs and it will contribute greatly to the prosperity of our country, he added. Mr. Holness noted that the development will contribute to the positioning of Kingston Harbor as a global logistics hub, pointing out that each year Jamaica receives approximately 3,000 port calls, while approximately 180,000 vessels operate within the region. With the investments that are being made in improving Kingston as a logistics hub, we are certain that we have now closed one of the major gaps that have existed, and that more ships passing through the region will be inclined to come to Jamaica, he said. For his part, GSRJ Limited Chief Executive Officer Colonel Martin Rickman said that the project represents a new industry for Jamaica, with great opportunities for other spin-off businesses, hence even contributing more to the economy. He pointed out that Jamaica's excellent geostrategic location makes the country particularly suitable for having a shipyard. Detailing the specific operations of the facility, Colonel Rickman explained that we are at GSRJ Shipyard will be able to lift that ship out of the water to conduct many types of work on the hull, the propeller, engine repairs, and the entire 9 yards. So this is significant for us. By international maritime law, all ships are required to be dry docked to check for safety and integrity once every 5 years and attain class certification. The CEO said that the training component of the project is crucial to enable workers to meet the international standards to carry out the required operations. He informed that some persons have already been trained. Alright, so that is the article on the shipyard, just to give you an update or to give you an idea of what's going to be happening here. So this is very good for Jamaica. It's a new industry, and Jamaica is an island. We have so many other spots where you can build facilities like this. So many other spots where you can build marinas. So the possibilities are really endless. We have the Port of Kingston, just on the same Kingston Harbor, just on the other side. And it's the largest port in Jamaica. So can you imagine ships come to unload or load because it's a transshipment point, and they are able to do the maintenance work in the same harbor. They don't have to sail out of their way or sail for days just to get maintenance work done. And if you have emergency work to be done, if something breaks while at sea, you just come to Jamaica. And with the widening of the Panama Canal, Jamaica that's where they're talking about geostrategic location. It's in regards to the Panama Canal. So Jamaica is definitely moving forward. There's a lot of progress going on all over the island. And this shipyard is right where you have the Southern Coastal Highway starting, right at the Harborview Bridge. So you can get around the island so quickly from that highway. You can get to St. Thomas, Portland, all the way on the north coast, because it connects to the Northern Coastal Highway back to Negril. So it is really in a good location, and we'll keep you guys updated on this project. And we will either get another drone or figure out what's going on with this restricted airspace, but we will fly the drone or a drone over this facility within the next 2 weeks. We're going to give you an update in 2 weeks because, I mean, it really is a very good project. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.